Today we're going to be installing Android Revolution HD on our HTC One. So if you go to the link in the description, it's going to bring you to this page. Basically, you just want to scroll down. As you can see, those are all the features that come in this ROM. So bunch of features. Most of them are basically just to make the phone faster, but we'll get into that in the full review, which I will link to in the description once I upload it. But yeah, just click download and then get the latest download of Android Revolution HD right up there at the top. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to bring you to this page. Wait 5 seconds and then it will download automatically. Now once it's downloaded, go ahead and plug your HTC One into your computer, and then we'll continue on to the next step. Alright, so now you can see it is downloaded. Now it is a .zip, but leave it in that zip file. So go ahead and drag it over to your HTC One internal storage, and then put it in the download folder. It doesn't really matter where you're going to put it, but that's basically where I like to put it. And then we'll continue on to the installation on our device. Alright, so on your device, go ahead and power off your HTC One, and then once you think that it's about powered off, go ahead and hold on the volume down power button all at the same time for about 15 seconds. You can see that it's pretty much powering up normally, but it's going to do this thing where it says keep holding it down, as you can see right there. So keep holding that down, and then it'll boot you into, I think it's called your bootloader. Yeah, it's definitely your bootloader. And then we will go into our recovery from there. Alright, so now that we are in our bootloader, scroll down to recovery and hit power on recovery. Alright, so in our recovery, go ahead and scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Keep in mind that this will delete all of your user data, so make an Android backup before, just to make sure that you don't lose any personal information, you don't break your phone. Just, it'll relieve a lot of stress if you make a backup. Then scroll down to wipe cache, press yes, wipe cache, and then scroll down to advanced and wipe your Dalvik cache. Yes, wipe Dalvik cache, and you are done wiping your device. And now we are going to install the ROM. So scroll down to install zip from SD card, hit on that, then go to choose zip from SD card, then scroll down to whatever folder you put the file in, scroll down to that folder and hit yes, install Android Revolution HD. And then it's going to boot up a thing called Aroma Installer. It's like a really easy installation sort of application that loads up in your recovery. I don't know really how to explain it, but yeah, as you can see, it's right there. If you're on that screen, you're good to go. Alright, so we are in our Aroma installer. Click next. Don't forget to check off I agree to the terms. I was lazy, didn't even look at that part. Hit next, and then that'll ask you to wipe your data partition. I don't recommend it, but I did it anyways. And then pick your device. I have the international variant, so I'll just click next on that. And then it says Google applications. What do you want to install? Check off the ones that you want to install. Google Music. No, looks all good. Alright, so hit next, install that. And then as you can see, we have some custom applications that you can choose from to install as well. Now, keep in mind that this isn't the features of the ROM. This is basically what you want to install along with the ROM. So don't think that these are all the features. And then you can install some extra tweaks. Those will give you features if you install these tweaks. So yeah, read the descriptions of those tweaks if you want to install them, but I just left it stock. Not really into tweaking that much. I just like ROMs and stuff. And then it will install. It took me about 4 to 5 minutes to install, but yeah, I'll speed it up right here so that you can see sort of what it looks like after install. So yeah guys, yeah. Alright, it is done installing. Let's go ahead and click next, and then next again, and then it'll boot you back into your recovery. Now click go back, and then reboot system now. Reboot system now, you're good to go. It's going to boot up. Now it did take me about 3 minutes for it to boot up into Android Revolution HD, so don't think that your phone is bricked. I thought that it was actually, but it does take a little bit to actually boot up the ROM itself, so I'll go ahead and skip to that part right now. And here it is guys, the most popular HTC Sense ROM, Android Revolution. As you can see, just a little preview there, we have some toggles and a notification bar that comes with default. Pretty awesome guys, this is a really awesome ROM. It's already really fast, really looking forward to be using this in daily use for a couple of days now. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helped. Be sure to watch my review in the description, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.